the frequency polygon, and I'll show you a memory aid. How do you draw a frequency polygon? Well, the question will give you a table and a chart, and you have to draw the frequency polygon on the chart. We have classes and we have frequencies. And we look for the midpoint of the class and the frequency. So the midpoint is 130 to 140, the midpoint is 135, the frequency is 4. Take a look at the scale and you will see that one little square equals a frequency of 1. So that's 4. And the next one is going to be 145, and that's 11. 155 takes us up to 24. 22 for 165, and 175, the midpoint of this range, is there. We put those marks on a graph and we join them with straight lines, no curves. And that is a frequency polygon. The easiest 2 marks you will ever get, provided you remember what to do. Don't do this. Yes, it's called a polygon. We all know a polygon is a shape. That would be wrong. And a lot of people do it. Please don't do it. Right. What goes wrong? Well, it's called a frequency polygon, but it is not a polygon. We all know what a polygon is. A polygon is a shape, but it's not a polygon. So the over incredible pressure on people in the middle of an exam when they're tired and tearful. Polygon is a shape. I'm going to draw a shape. Don't do that. It's a stupid name. Frankly, it's madness. Don't do this. Don't bring it down here to make a shape either. Only if there is a class where the frequency is 0 would you mark 0 on this chart. So don't do that either. It's absolute madness calling it a frequency polygon. It should be called a frequency line, but it's not. We have to work with what we get. And we mark the midpoints. So there's the class, 130 to 140, and the midpoint is here. Again, it's very tempting to put this in, 140. Don't. Personally, I think you should, but then I'm not setting the exams. It is not the upper class boundary, it's midpoints. So you could remember madness and midpoints. I don't think that's as memorable as midpoint madness. Midpoint madness, and there's the table. Now, I've shown the bar chart element or histogram. Don't show the bar chart element or histogram. That's only there to help you remember that it is in the center or the midpoint of the class interval. Do not show the areas marked blue. And that's my advice to you. So, here's a pause and practice. Pretty difficult to do. I appreciate it unless you can flash print the screen, but just have a think about it. Where would you put the dots? Say just for this first one. Rainfall 0 to 5, frequency 8. Well, here's the answer. You can see the frequency here, 10 is 10 little squares, so it's going to be 8, it's going to be along here somewhere. 0 to 5, 0 to 5, middle of 0 to 5, or 2.5. It's going to be there. Next one, 5 to 10 is 24. It's going to be there. 10 to 15 is 13. Always off the peak, and it's down here. And then draw lines in. And that's it. 2 marks. Thank you very much. I think we've taken something that's quite hard, very hard if you don't remember it, and made it easy. I hope you agree. And if you do, why not subscribe? Plenty of opportunities to learn. Thank you very much. Best of luck.